Hello friends, we are going to discuss operators and expressions. In this video, we are going to discuss the introduction to different types of operators in Python. Operator indicates an operation to be performed on data to yield a result. Python supports different operators which can be used link to link variable and constants. Different types of Python operators are given below. They are arithmetic operator, bitwise operator, relational operator, logical operator, and assignment, simple and compound assignment operators. So we are going to discuss one by one. So in this video, we are going to discuss the different type of available operators in Python. Here we are having a arithmetic operator. It is plus, minus, star for multiplication, plus for addition, minus for subtraction, slash for division. The percentage is for modulo operator. Double star is an exponential operator. Double slash is the floor division. For a comparison, we are having a relational operator. It will return the value true or false. Arithmetic operator will return the value, a numerical value. It may be an integer or a floating point number. The relational operator will return a value that is true or false, equal to, not equal to, greater than equal to, less than equal to are the relational operator. So assignment, we are having a simple and compound assignment operator, equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to, slash equal to, modulo equal to, double star equal to, double slash equal to. So what is compound assignment? A equal to A plus B can be written as A plus equal to B. Okay. So this is the example for the n compound assignment operator. So logical operator, we are using and, or, and not or the logical operator. Bitwise operator, bitwise and, bitwise or is complement, sorry, it is XOR operator, and complement, left shift and right shift are the bitwise operator. Membership operator, in and not in. So it checks an element is a member of a sequence or not, is a membership operator. Identity operator, it checks an object which is same as the other object or different. That is an identity operator. So these are the various operators. We are going to discuss these operators one by one in the forthcoming videos. Most statement in Python which contain expression. An expression in Python is a block of code that produces a result or a value upon evaluation. When you are evaluating it, it produces a result. It produces a value. Expression is a combination of value, variables, and operators. See, here 6 plus 3. 6 and 3 are the value. So the plus operator connects the value 6 and 3. N plus 25. Here, what is n is a variable and 25 is a value. So here it connects a variable and a value. Here n equal to 17, assignment operator. A value 17 is assigned to n. Okay, we'll see some small example. Here I'm assigning a value a equal to 10, b equal to 20, c equal to a plus b, print sum equal to, I am printing c. So here the operator, so here the operator plus connects the operands a and b, and the value is stored in the variable c, and the result will get displayed. So I'm having a result here which is sum equal to 30 is my result. Okay, here I'm having a n equal to 15. So what I'm doing, I'm assigning a value 15 to a variable n. So always a variable should be in the left side of the equal to symbol, and right side will have an expression or a value. So next, n equal to n plus 2. So what I am doing here, I am using a combination of, okay, n equal to n existing value of n. So it is a variable plus and 2 is a value. So plus operator connects the variable and a value. So this is known as a expression. Okay, I will run the program once again. I am printing a value, print, okay, n equal to, I am printing a value n. Okay, n equal to 17. Okay, that's it. So we discussed about the introduction to the operators and different type of operator, and we discussed what is expression. In forthcoming videos, we are going to discuss various operator one by one with a suitable example. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment, and press the bell button. Thank you.